Hi guys, Ben Spack, digital marketing consultant, and now returning full-time student. I just wanted to point out an issue that I'd run into with slideshare.net. I went and uploaded a PowerPoint presentation I'd done for one of my speech classes, and unfortunately, slideshare.net kind of made the text really just not attractive. I mean, look at that. Not a fan. And that's when I uploaded it in the default PowerPoint presentation file format. So, I reached out to someone here on slideshare.net that I know does a lot of presentations for SEO mods. I believe he actually works for them full time now, where initially he was just a contributor. But I reached out to Dr. Pete, and Dr. Pete said that PowerPoint actually has a fully embeddable font feature. So I went and looked into that, and Dr. Pete was also kind enough to suggest a couple more tips here, even a different font that he uses. So I'm going to go ahead and provide a link in the description to the font that he mentioned, as well as the font that I actually used in my presentation, now that I actually have gotten it to work. And in order to find this information, I just did a very simple Google search, PowerPoint embedded font 2010, and came across this tutorial here. So let me just go ahead and run through the basis of what they were having me do, and show you guys how to fix your problem. So as you can see here, I actually have a nice decent font, Allier Light. So we're just going to go to File, I'm going to go down to Options on the left hand side here. And then on the left hand tab we also have Save, that's third down. And then at the bottom of this we have the embedded fonts on the site option. By default it's unchecked. We're just going to go ahead and check this and leave it as the first option here. We're going to click OK. Now a note about this, when I was going to save it, initially I saved it as just a PowerPoint presentation again and re-uploaded it, and slideshare.net just didn't like it, totally rejected it. I'm not sure what's going on with that. They need to kind of get on their game, but that's a tangent for another time. So anyway, I decided, you know what, let's go ahead and try PDF. And I went and tried PDF. PDF worked out great, and believe it or not, PDF is a great file format if you're going to send it to other people, because they can get PDF readers basically for free. You know, they may not have PowerPoint on their computer. So that's just a quick and simple solution. If this doesn't work for you guys, or you have an older version, again, all you have to do is enter in the search term that I had here and replace the version that you have with, you know, a different number here. So say for example PowerPoint 2003, 2008, something along those lines. If you run into any issues and you just need an extra hand, feel free to reach out to me, or I'm sure Dr. Pete wouldn't mind. Also, please go ahead and follow me on Twitter if you guys are on it. Just go ahead and subscribe to me and Dr. Pete, since of course I got this wonderful information from him. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just go ahead and pop up a like for this as well. Well guys, I hope I helped, and hope to see you soon. This is Ben Spack. Bye.